Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So in my case, the Google Fit is activated, and just if you want to turn it off, you should hold for a while your screen and then tap here on the settings icon. And now the first section here will be Google Fit, and just to turn off the Google Fit, tap once here on the switcher. And as can you see, now when I'm swiping with my finger to the right side, I can't open the Google Fits anymore. So that's how it looks. And just if you wanna turn on again Google Fits, by the same way, go into the settings and here tap once on this switcher and click to OK. And by this way, you can enable the Google Fit on your SONY Xperia. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.